Yes my people, welcome back to another video. It's your boy That Guy and I'm back on another vid. Hey you lot, today I was meant to record, but basically my boy Josh, you already know who Josh is. He's one that drives the 48i. Obviously he's been chatting so much crap online for a split second. This is saying, bro, pull up, I'll smoke you. Bro, you're crying that quick, ratatara. I'm telling you, bro, you don't want the smoke. He drives a 48i, I drive a modified VXR. There's no way in hell you're gonna beat me. But he said, nah bro, I don't care. Pull up, I'm gonna smoke you. I said, you know what it is? I might well get a hair start to make it fair, innit? So basically right now, I'm gonna pull up my man and I thought, let me just record it. It should be fun, innit? I don't know what to expect. So the next clip is gonna be me with Josh and we'll see what happens, innit? And I'm saying, you lot stay tuned. Your boy That Guy. Alright guys, I just pulled up, man. This guy really thinks that 48i, not modded, stock could actually beat my VXR. I think it's respectful at this point, man. Literally, and I can't lie. No excuses, but this is fact. My VXR, at the moment, this is a bit weird. I think it's doing for servicing or whatever, innit? I've got to sort that out because something keeps coming up on the dashboard. But I know it's on minor. I feel like I'm not getting the full power, but I'm still gonna smoke that car because I don't need the full power to smoke that 48i, you know what I'm saying? So you lot stay tuned. We're gonna go around on some quiet roads where we can like kind of accelerate to the speed limit and stop from there. So yeah, stay tuned, man. We're gonna go on a private road actually. So yeah, man, your boy That Guy. Toy car. You really think? No, don't smile at me. You're my up right now, but you think this little small car? I will smoke you. This guy thinks this small car. Let me come out the car. Do you know what this is? Let me just come out the car one time. This guy thinks, my camera wants to be acting up. You see, my camera is like, why am I even trying to record this shit, bro? This little thing is gonna smoke this.
You see that bumper that's coming off. By the time you're done, the thing will be on the ground.
So let's go on some quiet roads real quick and we'll see something, and then let's talk more actions. We're gonna go on some quiet roads. I'm just gonna put. I'll follow you to the thing, innit? I'll follow you to the place. This 48, I think you can actually have me. I'll be surprised if it does, you know. I'll be quite surprised. Is so low, what the hell? Our car's quite nice though, I can't lie. Don't get it twisted, the car's a nice car, but it's not wild cool speed, man. I think 0 to 60 in that car is what? Is it 5 seconds? Something like that, I can't remember, man. Drift. He said, Tommy, let me show you something. I see you, AJ. Hey, look at it. He's loving it. saw that in it. I was like, hello, fam. Come this way. Yeah, just park here real quick. I just want to put the camera on the side. Bro, you saw that C63 and I was like, lol. I was thinking, what? He's like, wait, my man is feeling, no one's smoking this one. Do you want to call it? This little small car. Your car don't want to smoke at all. It doesn't. Because I slowed down and I'm still going to accelerate and still leave you. And I'll slow down against the accelerator and still leave you. No, bro. Your car is not ready. It's not ready at all. It's not ready for the smoke, bro. Are you going to get humbled now? That's fine. This is not our exit. Don't worry, it's fine, don't worry. If we get a road to do again, because I was going to record one for Snap, but it's fine. Don't worry, I'll probably just get the clip from the GoPro later, man. Are you going to drift it? But I kind of did though, because I slowed down a couple of times on the M. But I slowed down a couple of times on the M to give that little, but...
But that's mad. You're thinking quick, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Think rapid. Where's the... Where are we even going? You guys sent me this.